Hey everyone, welcome to Singable Words. Today we're learning a cool word you can sing with me. We'll break it down with its definition, synonyms, antonyms, an example sentence, and even a quick knowledge check. Stick around till the end for a funny joke and a big follower shout out. Let's get started.
Singable Words.
The word is
compassion.
Now let's sing it together. Grab any instrument you can play and follow through its chords and its lyrics.
Compassion is to have sympathy for other people. It means to be understanding and kind. The antonyms are to be mean and cruel.
But wait, here are some words that mean almost the same thing. We call them synonyms.
Care, be concerned, love.
Not every word has a BFF. Some have opposites, and we call those antonyms.
Dislike, cruelty, hatred.
Now before we head on and use this word in a sentence, want to hear a joke? Why did the kind-hearted banana share its peel with the lonely apple? It had a feeling compassion. Now let's use it in a sentence.
The kid showed compassion by sharing her cookies with her friend, who forgot to bring a snack.
Now let's test your knowledge. Give me a thumbs up if the word is a synonym, and a thumbs down if the word is an antonym. Subscribe down below and be sure to hit that like button. So next time you're writing or talking, you can use this word or one of its friends, depending on what you want to say. So go out there and let your vocabulary grow with Singable Words.
So Miss Cat taught me a lot of stuff that I should have been learned in 3rd grade, but I'm only in 1st grade. When I grow up, I want to be a musician.